How does a computer work? Grade 4. Hi kids, I'm Orbit, your friend. A computer is an electronic machine that can do quick and correct calculations and many other tasks. The word computer comes from the word compute, which means to calculate. Today, computers are used in many places like schools, offices, shops, and railway stations to help people do different kinds of work easily. Working of a computer. A computer cannot understand the language of humans. It changes our instructions into binary codes, which are zeros and ones. A computer works by following three main steps to complete any task: input, processing, output. Let's talk about them one by one. Input. Input means giving instructions to the computer. You type data using a keyboard. Data means raw facts or information. Processing. Processing is when the computer works on the data. It solves problems or organizes the data using the system unit. Output. Output means getting the final result. The computer shows the process information on the monitor. Let us learn more about input, processing, and output with some simple examples. Orange juice. In this example, making orange juice shows how input, processing, and output work. You get oranges. This is the input. The oranges are processed in the juicer. This is the processing stage. The juice you get is the output. Almost all machines follow these three steps: input, processing, output. Let's look at another example now. The ATM. The ATM card is the input. The ATM machine processes the information. The money you receive is the output. Let's look at another example now. In the same way, a computer is also a machine that follows these three steps to do its work. For example, if you want to add three numbers on a computer, the input stage would be that you type 2, 5, and 3 using the keyboard and tell the computer to add them. The processing stage would be when the computer adds the numbers according to your instructions. The output would be the result, which is 10, that appears on the monitor. This shows how a computer works using input, processing, and output. Time for a quick tip. A broken machine may take input but give no output. However, it is not possible for any machine to produce output without the input. Man versus computer. Man works slowly. However, computer works very fast. Man can think and imagine. Computer cannot think or imagine. Man gets tired and bored after doing the same work for some time. Computers never get tired or bored, even after doing the same work for a very long time. Man cannot multitask easily. Computer is usually accurate if given correct instructions. Man sometimes makes mistakes. Man can remember only a little information. However, computer can store a large amount of information. Computer speed tip. A computer works very fast. Some computers are faster than others. The speed of a computer depends on how quickly it processes information and how much RAM, which is the memory, it has. Now you know. A computer is an electronic machine that can do quick and correct calculations.